Alright. Okay. I'm not scared. You're scared. I'm not scared. You're scared. By the way, I never played a horror game in my life. Never ever. Haven't. Haven't really. Never. Too much of a bitch. Too much of a bitch. It's not that I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm lying like hell. I'm lying like hell, bro. I'm scared as hell, bro. I'm be up front, bro. Right. It's not that bad. Okay. Okay. Never played. Okay. Okay. Where the hell am I? Who the fuck is you?
Welcome to your first day on the job.
Huh?
This is your very own autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep for the duration of your contract.
Where the hell am I? Why am I here?
Make yourself at home. To
What do you
complete
mean,
the
make myself at
onboarding
home?
process,
What?
you will want to check the instruction manual
What are
and
you talking?
sign into your ship's computer terminal. We
Huh?
trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company.
Huh?
Asset.
Why am I
Great
dancing?
asset to the
What the
company.
hell?
Asset to the
Why am I
great
dancing?
asset.
Bro, stop. Bro, hitting that boogie smoogie, bro. Like, damn. Oh. Alright, I guess. Guess I gotta do my job, even though I was brought here by force. Is that me? Wee. Damn, I got hops. God damn, I got hops. Holy shit. Damn, look at the airtime. Damn. 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 Okay, you gotta focus up there. Alright, you're in a life or death situation. Four people, huh? Imagine having friends, crazy.
Oh my god, he on X Games
Alrighty.
mode.
Hmm. Seems important. I should read that. But I'm not going to, because I not reading all that, bruh. I'm not reading all that. That's the worst gonna happen. So what's the worst that's gonna happen? Whatever. Am I gonna die or something? Like, I'm not gonna die. Who you take me for? I'm not a loser. Hmm. Alright. Hmm. Where am I? Why am I here? What was that? What is that noise? What is that music? Okay, it's music. I need to calm down. Holy shit. Okay, what are we supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? By the way, I never played this game before or seen anyone play it. I just kind of bought it on a whim, because I'm bored and alone. All right, don't worry about that. Whatever about it. We'll cross that out when we get here. Ah, I guess I'll just freaking do stuff. I don't know, bro. Hmm? I know it's Saturday. Hey yo, get off, bro, get off, get off. How does he know it's Saturday? Okay. But assume, store,
You stupid.
assuming. Nah, I ain't spending my money. Fuck that shit. Nah, I ain't spending shit. Man, got me fucked up. Got me fucked up on God. Got me fucked up. I ain't spending no money. I ain't gonna need it. It's not be dark in here.
Is this nigga serious?
It's not gonna be dark in here, bro. Not gonna be dark in there. Trust, bro. Trust. It's not gonna be dark. All right. Yeah. Oh no, hell no! But that shit, holy shit, that is so dark, bro. That's a pitch darkness, bro. Holy shit. I'm not doing that shit. Oh my god. I'm right here, bro. Hell no, hell no. Hell no, hell no. You overacting, buddy. You overacting. Can't be that bad. Can't be that bad. Can't be that bad. You're just overreacting, buddy. You just...
A little longer than a few minutes later.
What's that? What's that? Why is it so loud? I'm gonna touch it. What's this? Oh, flashlight! Let's go! Flashlight! 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 I'm going this way. I don't want to go that way. I don't want to go. Why is it so dark already? I just got here, bro. Why is it so goddamn dark in here? So musty in here. Goddamn. This flashlight ain't shit, bro. Adam! Adam! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open it! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Open the door! Put that shit. I'm gonna leave it. There's always another day. What's that? There's always another day. Hell no. Put that shit. I'm leaving, bro. I'm leaving. Fuck this shit. Take off. Take off. Take off. Take off, bro. Take. Wait. Put that shit. Put that shit. That shit. Hell no. Leave. 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 Nah. Nah. What's that? Ooh. Ow! My hand. Hell. Hell, that hurt. What's today mean? Ugh, okay. Okay, guys. I'll be completely honest. I got hiccups. I got the hiccups. I'm gonna be honest. I'm afraid. I'm afraid. I don't. I don't want to do this. Okay, we're leaving those on. Okay, we're leaving those on. All right, we're leaving those on. Never turn those off. Never turn those off. Note this up. Never turn those off. Okay. Never turn those off. I don't even know this. What's that? Circuit beams. Hmm. Interesting. I know what y'all saying. I should go touch that, but I'm not going to. What y'all expect it to be? Like, I am not stupid. I am not stupid. That looks like a trap. I ain't touching that shit. Hell no. That would have been all right. Um, why do I hear pitter patter? No. Is there another way? need to go, need to go. I want to go, I want to run, run, motherfucker, run, run. You bitch, run, bitch, run. Why aren't you running, bro? Run, bro. There's shit happening, bro. Renegade, this shit gonna blow up for real, bro. We need to get the fuck out of here. Get the God damn this fucking ship, bitch. Close, close the door. Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Okay, I don't know what that is. Oh no, for a fact, I'm not going back in there, bro. You already know. It's a wrap, bro. It's a wrap. I'm not going back in there. You already know. I'm not going back in there. My intuition was right. My intuition was right. I was right. Yep, I was right. I was right. I was right. I was right. I'm not going back in there. You gotta make me. You gotta force me. Nah, fuck that shit. Nah. I don't care if I am being paid. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Fuck this shit. I'm leaving. I don't give a damn. Oh, it charges my flashlight. I didn't know that. I'm dumb as hell. I just I thought it just sucks my hand. Gives me like suit charge or something. No notes. One day 11. What is profit quota? This is how much? Oh, okay. I guess. Oh wait. Ain't fucking touching me, bitch. Bitch ass bees. Bitch ass bees, man. All these bitch ass bees, man. Fuck those bees, man. Fuck those bees. What was that? Alright. I'm just gonna know everything I hear, cause it makes me scared and makes me wanna leave. Makes me wanna leave.
Don't be pussy though. Don't be pussy. No pussy. Don't do it. Don't be pussy. Don't be pussy. Don't be pussy. Pussy. Don't be pussy. Don't be. Don't be a pussy. I ain't no fucking chunky. I ain't no chunky. Fuck, I ain't chunky. Door. How's that work? The door right there. Okay. Bye, Vincent. Remember, Daddy.
Okay, okay, guys. I would have made that, but I would have made that. I I promise I'm better. Like I am a parkour expert, guys.
Cap and a half,
I'm a
cap and a half.
parkour expert. Um, we lost all the loot. We lost all the loot.
Report to the company building immediately to sell your scrap metal and other goods. You have 0 days left to meet the profit quota.
Can I
You
just
can use the terminal to route the autopilot to the company building.
can I just like not go there? Can I just leave?
You stupid.
'Cause, I don't have any scrap, mister. I don't have any scraps, bro. Okay, that that parkour was really difficult, bro. Even a pro would struggle, bro. I promise, bro. Like, what I'll do now, bro. I don't have any scrap. I assume moves. Let's see. They told us to go to company, so I'm going to the company. Guys, be honest. Am I gonna die?
Yep, that's
Even though
what
I
they're
already
saying.
died, but I feel like I'm gonna die. Like more. What do you call it? Forceful. What that's supposed to mean? Just ignore me, guys. I'm dumb as hell. Click.
Man, shut your.
Okay. It looks like I laughed. It looks like I laughed. Yeah, it looks like I laughed. Yeah, I lost. I took 500,000 steps. What do you got for me now, Intercom man?
Welcome to your first day on the job. This is your
Why
very
am I
own
dancing?
autopilot ship, where you will eat and sleep for the
What button is
duration
it?
of your
What
contract.
button is it? What am I? What do I press?
Make
What am I
yourself at
pressing?
home. To complete the onboarding process, you will want to check the instruction manual and sign into your ship's computer terminal. We trust you will be a great asset to the company. Great asset to the company. Great asset to the company. Asset to great asset.
Hey, don't stop. I was getting jiggy with it, bro. Like, goddamn, always hating, bro. I don't give a damn. Alright, round two, motherfuckers. Y'all ain't ready for this, bruh. Y'all ain't ready for this shit, bruh. Y'all ain't ready for this shit. On God, bro. On God, bro. I'm baby mama, bro. I'm baby mama. I'm lying like I don't have a baby mama. I can only use fuck. Whatever. Fuck that supposed to mean?
Everybody wants to be my enemy.
Oh my god! What the fuck was that? What the fuck was that? Oh my god, we almost got gobbled up, bro. It would have been over for me. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. What the I don't know what the fuck that was. Now I got 2 days left. That's a bullshit, bro. That's a bullshit. That's some bullshit, bro. Man, they're praying my downfall on God, bro. On God, bro. They're praying my downfall, man. They're praying my downfall, man. Let's go somewhere else. Fuck that shit. I'm not going there. Ass.
You stupid.
Ass. I don't know where this is, but yeah. Mm. Abandoned, jagged, withered terrain, fauna, ecosystem, territorial behavior, whatever. Blah blah blah. I want to go back. I'm in a desert. I'm in a bad desert, bro. Oh my god. Ooh, flashlight, flashlight. Yeah, let's not do that again. Let's close the door. Store. What a shovel! Shovel. I need a shovel right now. I'm gonna bury some monsters, bro. I'm burying monsters, bro. Where is it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Why is it way up there? What the fuck? I'm tired of this motherfucker now. Tired like a motherfucker. Damn, go. God, motherfucker, down. Shut. I can't spare. Shut up. Shut up. I can't spare. Shut up. Why not just buy a pro flashlight? Oh my god, I'm so oh my, I'm so dumb, bro. Holy shit, bro. What do you mean a shovel? I said, what? I'm spelling it correctly, bro. I can spell. I can spell, bro. I can spell. What time is it? Oh, there's time. Well, I didn't even notice. I didn't even know that, and I asked what time it is. Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be a text or something. Oh, a shovel! Oh, I can hit shit. Oh yeah, let's go. Y'all ain't ready for this. Y'all ain't ready for this, bro. You ain't ready for this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Get some. Get some. Oh, where do I go? Which way do I go? I assume this way. I'm lost. I don't know where the hell am I. But it's dead end. Okay. Oh hell no, bro. I already know I'm be lost. Let's support thing. I should go there. Where the music go? Damn. Am I so hard up? God damn. please. Sure. Oh, almost fell. Oh shit. Hops. Oh, no problem at all. Working on my. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Why is it so goddamn loud? Oh hell, I'm just lost as fuck in here, bro. You already know, bro. I'm just lost as fuck, bro. What? Oh, that's a gun. Oh shit! I almost got shot. Oh, I almost got shot. Wait, will it shoot me? Will it shoot me? Oh shit! That shit gonna shoot me! Oh shit! That shit is going to shoot me. Okay. That shit will shoot me. Okay. Nope. Note to self: don't walk anywhere I'm gun. That bad for your health. That bad for your health. Yeah, that bad for your health.
What's good, Nyaka?
I'm leaving, bro. Fuck this shit. I'm sick of this shit, bro. I'm sick of this shit, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. I'm done, bro. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I don't want to do it no more. I don't want to do it no more. I need somebody to do it in me.
Hey,
Hell
yo.
no. I'm not doing this shit by myself. Holy shit. I'm not doing this 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 shit, bro. I'm not doing this, bro. Hell nah, bro. Hell nah. Hell nah. Holy shit. I'm leaving, bro. Fuck that shit. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god. I don't know what the fuck was that. I don't know what the fuck I was looking at, bro. Holy shit, bro. Oh my. Only got one day left, bro. Hell no. I'm going to a different moon, whatever. Planet. Fuck this shit.
Look at this dude.
I don't have scrub. I don't have anything, bro. I'm fucked, bro. I am fucked, bro.
Correct!
Let's try offense. I have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, I have no clue where I'm going. Flashlight fully charged. Okay. Okay. All right. All right, bro. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy, bro. All right. All right. Don't be a pussy. Okay. Woosah. Woosah. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy. Okay. Whew. Okay. Okay. I'm not a pussy. No pussy. No pussy. No pussy. No pussy. No pussy. Okay. Pussy. No pussy. No pussy. Not pussy. Not pussy. Not pussy. Not pussy. Not pussy. It says aggressive. Did I just came here? Bro. Oh shit. We almost hit that pole. Oh shit. It's so dark. God damn. That's a dead ass in, no fan. Just gonna follow the pipes. Need to make it big, bro. I need to make it big. Who the fuck was that? What? Oh,
Oh, gee,
oh my
tripping.
shit. Oh, okay. 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 You need to calm the fuck down. Oh shit. Oh my god, bro. I'm supposed to get the fuck back from the ship. I'm gonna be lost as fuck. I don't think it matters if I get loot or not. I'm gonna be lost as fuck, bro. Oh, wait. I got a shovel. God damn, that shit was loud. Alright, let's not go that way. 60 bucks, okay. I'm not going that way. I don't know what I just saw, but I'm not going that way. Don't be a bitch. 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 Don't be a bitch, bro. Don't be a bitch. 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 You got a shovel. You got a shovel. You got a shovel. You got a shovel. Holy shit. You got a shovel. Oh, oh. You got a shovel. You got a shovel. Ooh, don't be a bitch. 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 Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep, just, woo, woo, just keep, woo, woo, woo. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. I'ma take this shit and run on my mom. Oh my mom, we living, we flee, we flee, we flee, we flee, we flee, we run away, we run away, we run away, we run away. Ooh, ooh. We run away. Okay. So I think I did it. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. I am not cut out for this, my guy. All right, so it's right here. Okay. Okay. I am not cut out for this, bro. What I was thinking of taking this fucking job, bro. Goddamn job. All this fucking shit. All this fucking shit. I'm done with this shit, bro. Jump, bro. Jump. Jump, bro. Make the jump, bro. Oh shit. What the fuck was that? Get the fuck in. Get the fuck in. Get the fuck in. Get the fuck in. Why are you so goddamn loud? I'm not going back in there. You can't pay me to do it. Okay, you need to go on a Carter, big motherfucker. Goddamn, you can't run for shit. Goddamn, you need to work on your cardio, bro. Slowest motherfucker around. Goddamn.
Damn, he really about to rock my shit.
I think that's I think that's a wrap, bro. I think that's a wrap, bro. I I think that's a wrap, bro. I think it's a sign. I think it's a sign, bro.